Alright, we're back. Let's. A lot has happened because my recording software decided to stop for no good reason again. OBS is being stupid, but let me tell you what's happened because we've missed a bit. So, in the last part, you saw that I needed to. I sold all my fucking things for money that I got from that cave, right? But there was a back path that I missed in the cave, and luckily I went back to see if I could snag a few more crystals, and I had um, 21 by the end of it. So we handed the things to the woman who needed them because she was the blacksmith or whatever, and then after that, despite doing that, the Brocker said no, he wouldn't fix the sword. So we gave it to his apprentice instead. His apprentice is working on the sword for us. And then, because we were at max vocation rank for warrior, we got another 12,000 from that quest. So we were able to buy some pants, the Wraith Greaves. So we go over to the Vocation Guild to swap to Mystic Spearhand. And on the way out of there, we were asked by some guard to go meet with the queen? Priest? Something. So we go to the palace, and there's an assassin. We tackle the guy who has scars on his shoulders. I honestly got lucky, I feel, because I picked the guy at random, pretty much. His hair was tied back, and he had scars on his shoulder. But they honestly looked like tattoos to me, so I feared I got the wrong guy. But I didn't. We got paid another 18k, and we got 5 Jaspers from the Queen, which we're going to sell for some money here. So that let us buy our third piece of equipment. This cape of mine, which was on like a rooftop, not a roof, but it was sold by a merchant on a giant plateau, and I had to get through a golem to kill it, to get it, because the golem kept chasing me from the ruins all the way up there, and it almost killed the merchant, but we won. We won. So yeah, I kind of look like Zorro now. I've used Mystic Spearhand a bit, killing the golem and a couple other gobos got me to vocation rank 3. So we're gonna go check that out. Let's see what I can get from there. Yeah. I'm not gonna be able to tank as many blows as I used to as a warrior. So I'll actually have to start
need to
thinking
overthink it. You can change it
on
on
what
a
I
whim.
do.
You have not to lose.
But this dragon stab is like Skydance from the first game, except now you can actually fucking aim it. You can see in the second part right here, he goes down and attacks the goblin, which is cool. But yeah, it was rough first learning it, but it's not as hard as I thought it would be. Let's try and take a look at these other skills. That's pretty cool. Nullifies all manner of attacks. This seems like a very, very strong skill. Let's do this. Now, we need to see... See, this is very cool, and I definitely should get it. But I think Thief's Hand is No, that's Stanley. Let's try the cool ability first, and we'll get Thieves' Hand later when I start running out of things to chuck at people. Instantly approach. Okay. So, you can charge your Magic Blast here, and you see it stuns them, right? So you're holding right bumper while you're doing attacks, and it's charging your Magic Blast. Then you let it go, and you press the button again, and it stuns them all, as you see here. This allows you to apparently teleport to them after doing that, so that's cool. Oh, and this increases the range, yeah. Yeah, please. I need that. Carrying or lifting, that's not really important for me.
And you might even make a new discovery. Many thanks.
Alright. Time for my Zoro
curative magics are at your disposal.
Figure out what to do. So, yeah, we saved the priestess, and we gave the apprentice the sword. Because the master didn't want to work on it. Brocker was being a little bitch, and I don't know why. So I'm hoping that Brocker will work on it as he sees his apprentice working on it. That's probably unlikely, but it's the only hope I've got.
Now, this hardly bears saying, but...
Oh, Jesus. Yeah, okay, sure. Take all this. I don't need this anymore. The merchant who I bought this cape from
many thanks.
sold some better sorcerer's gear, so... or mage gear, so I should definitely go on and get that for my pawn. Just gonna grab these.
Not buying?
Yeah.
That's just as
okay.
well.
Let's go
Better to
on
be.
and do the quest we were asked. Oh, that's a long way. Turn the world map. Oh, jeez. Wait, no, that's... quests. Yeah, let's check in on the
Selective and
kid,
wasteful.
see how she's doing on the sword,
Browsing was
and
enough
then
to scratch the itch in
we'll
my
go
case.
talk to the guy that the ghost or whatever recommended. They might be the Seneschal. I don't know. Yeah,
I've
God,
never seen
from the
this
first
sort
game.
of craftsmanship. Hi there, Arisen. Forgive the blade's make is as if I only knew how to create this.
What are you jabbering about?
Oh,
You're looking at the work of a blaze hammer. 'Tis a process scarce employed. Honestly, girl, you know.
sorry, Brocker. But if these patterns were the work of a blaze, if you've not heard the term, 'tis where you heat your hammer. 'Tis hardly e'er used since the hammers like to cool afore. Brocker's explained the process to me.
It seems 'twill take a rather complex process to restore the sword, but I've no doubt that Sir Sarah is up to the task.
Let's hope
Right you are.
we can agree with your faith about Mike. Oh. Ambrosius, who can be found in the Ultibatal coast. No, this quest is gonna be
He
painful.
wishes to gaze upon a griffin firsthand. 'Tis a tall ask, but not impossible. Shall we go where we are bid?
Yes. Right, I
Follow me.
screwed
I
around
will
with
guide you
giving
to the
Serana lightning.
We're in your hands, sir. Much obliged.
Oh, and it's not good. I don't know why I swapped her off of fire. Fire is just good against
Boy,
everything.
no need to overthink it. You can
So we're gonna go back to that.
change it on a whip. Many thanks.
Alright. Yeah, we tried lightning and it wasn't really that effective. But ice is whatever as well. I mostly just fight beasts. So fire's the best choice. Burns wings, damages things nice, Some creatures panic when on fire. I've yet to meet one that does not like it. Or that does like it, I should say. Now, if I were to fight a
There's a
dragon,
ladder here.
I'd
Oh,
need ice.
excellent
probably.
find.
Maybe. Depends on the dragon, honestly. It's hard to say. Who are you? And what is that curious lantern?
Why? Peru.
Oh. Oh, they're... Ooh.
Take
Okay,
your
we'll come
leisure,
back. We'll come
sir.
back.
Always a pleasure.
Might dye my stuff red. Achieve like a knightly look. Royal red. But I'm gonna spend my rift coins on my pawn. Nothing else, for the most part. I wonder what this insignia on my shoulder is. Is that a dragon upside down? No, it's a dragon getting impaled or coiling around a sword. I think it's coiling. Alright, let me show you what I've learned.
Freshly rested as we are, this
So
battle
you can
ought
stun
to be in
them,
our
and you
favour.
run in.
Try not to get hit, lest all that vim go to waste.
Let my magic spew your breath with the fury
Alright,
of the
we charge.
elements.
Get down here. There we go. You can see the Mystic Spearhead attacks really fast.
Let us see what you're made of.
Oh, I should be teleported. We're gonna teleport with that. That's right, that's right. Okay. We're learning, we're learning. Hyper-aggressive fighting style this is. That's a golem, probably. Maybe.
I'll gather this. It might be of use.
We'll leave it be. No,
There's
that's
ought
a
to be
golem.
found there.
And there's
Can you
one
not see
too.
it? We ought to take a closer look.
I don't like fighting them. The real problem with the horrors on the leg, right under the foot, on the left, you can see that it's not actually there, so I have to wait until he doesn't attack. That releases it. I can actually do damage. I have different things now. I'm not stuck with using this shitty pommel to do things.
This should be of use.
You want to
I
break
grant
the
you
hardest
roaring
one
flame.
first, because
It's a
if he's got
foe
one
worthy
left,
of caution. Don't say
he'll be in range, and we'll want to kill him as fast as possible. Get up.
Be more
No,
careful.
we're screwed.
Really need to know the limits.
It's called taking the initiative, I'll have you know. Say, does this bow not remind you of a certain someone we've met?
What is the matter with you? We are under attack.
Damn it. Okay, okay.
First and foremost, we want to knock it off balance. We're much easier target to fly and throw.
I'd put their attempts at doing though, but together, I think we can manage it.
Did we get the arm? No, we didn't. There. There we go. Got it. Now we have to wait for it to do another slam. Which is the one inside the arm. Because it only shows up during this. Make up something on. I need to do a normal attack.
When enraged, this creature is capable of calamitous strength. We ought not to provoke it.
Sonya, stop. 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 I'm just gonna climb up on you. We're gonna see if I can. Gotta wait for him to do an attack. Like that one. Come on. There we go. Okay. This battle's as good as ours. Come on. Get pissed. Come on, die. Yeah, here we go. Goodbye.
Let my magic's gone to an elemental wheel.
Okay. Yeah, if you don't destroy them in the front corner, you're fucked. Trying to strike his foot gem while he's enraged is a great way to see yourself reloading a save. Not cool. Some wolves in the head.
Aught fell from the beast, as it grieved.
Do I have to, oh, I have to hit him with the charge one. Then I have to explode it. There we go. Didn't time that right. I gotta get used to that. I targeted the wrong one. No, whatever. I know your misery.
All creatures who know death cling to life.
I need to do...
Let them run. We need not waste our strength.
Okay. It's more generous than I thought it was. But still kind of tight. Just practicing getting used to it.
I grant you fire's blaze. Use it well.
What's a Vermont guy doing here?
You are in need of healing. Allow me. Wait right there.
There, that's hard to time. I'll get used to it, I'm sure.
My patience wears thin. Is aught amiss?
Oh, isn't that the guy who voiced the Zealot in Darktide?
That was well fought. There's no one standing who might say otherwise.
I've a duty to attend to. As 'twere.
Yeah, it
You can
is.
count on me to fly to your aid in your
You know,
hour
I
of
don't
need.
really need you. Shut up. Stop trying to waste my rift crystals. The only pawns you should
An ox
hire that
cart
are
ought
above
to
your
make
level
our
are your
journey
friends. Because
Walking
it's a
everywhere is
friend's
certainly
pawn,
tiring.
it costs nothing to hire them. As in, like, a Steam friend. Hi, bandits. Fucking hell.
Make the paper that. Gold as well as blood.
Really? No. No more of this. What you get? Oh, I'm getting it now. I didn't teleport right, but that don't matter. Alright, we're learning. Oh, the guy I had to speak to is not at the capital, it seems. Oh.
Well fought, Arisen.
But team has some catching up to do.
Outstanding.
Alright. I think I'll get rid of Searching Blade. It's not that good.
Shall we prop up our tent and get out of the rain?
How's our health? Yeah, we're gonna be fighting a griffin.
I quite agree.
Let's do that. Alright. No, not till nightfall. Fuck. Not good. Wasting time. Yes. How did I get out of that? That's funny. I interacted with the camp fast enough. It didn't consider us in combat, even though we got ambushed. Weird.
We need to anticipate.
Now we're back at it.
Tell them that full crusade.
Oh, lordy.
We'll make them pay for disturbing our moment of rest.
This ain't good.
Fall back, and I will use my magic. Wait a minute.
Aw, we can't allow them to catch shit. Ooh, living. Ow.
Well done.
These dreams are only complete when their souls are smashed beyond repair.
Let my magic imbue your weapon with the fury of the elements.
There we go. Really? Another sorcerer's bow. See him. See the lights of his eyes. God, I feel like I'm playing Virgil over here.
What has happened to your magic?
Oh, they use fucking silence. Come on, get up. Alright, here. Get up.
Moment. I thought I'd met my end. Thanks to you, Arisen.
Really? Skeletal mages are the worst. we done yet? No, there's more.
Do not despair! I'm coming to your aid!
It's vital to remain level.
Gotcha. Well, yeah, it seems like I didn't escape it after all. Alright. Till morning, please. Thank you. Alright. Let's go see what we can do for this griffin guy. We might kill it too soon. Maybe. We'll have to,
Master, my heart knows no greater peace than when I'm by
we'll have to
your
see what
side.
happens.
I grant you roaring flame.
And the reason why I'm saying I feel like I'm playing Virgil is because when you are swinging your attack, you can use Searching Blade, the little orb like that, in the middle of your attacks, as well as this. So the idea being is that it's kind of like Virgil's Spectre Sword or Mirage Blades, where you just keep shooting the swords while attacking your enemies. Ooh.
Reinforcements? Wish that we had such resources.
Fuck you.
Not bad. It's a bit early to be thanking me.
Really?
The enemy yet remains.
Oh, I caught that harpy on accident. Is there another?
I shan't let them harm you.
Seems like, no, I gotta learn. I'll get better at it. I pressed Y instead of A. Oops. So cool. Oh. Seems friendly. Yeah, you must be a pawn. Continuing onward. Yeah, these free stuff is a little ridiculous.
Prepare yourself!
Not pressing the right
Let
button.
my magics grant you an elemental gift.
No, I'm getting the last part down.
Better than that!
Can I... Let's take a look at my status. Core skills. Okay. That's... instant. So it's both. Okay. Scattering bolt or foreboding bolt.
Some battles simply can't. You are in need of healing. Allow me. Point right there.
What's the timing on that?
I'll not
Oh, it
stand
doesn't matter.
for this.
Damn, I'm already vocation rank 5.
Gathering materials makes for dull work indeed.
Aye.
I've got wares of every...
What kind of... Oh. Ah. You only have one? I'll take it. Well, that's still a lot of money.
Look, pleasure doing business with you.
No, thank you. That's fine. I don't need it.
What's more, oft do we call on you. We have arrived.
There you are. I was wondering when you'd show. Remember, you'll need to draw the fight out as long as you can. Marvelous.
Oh, lordy.
Let us accompany Sir Fulvio and face this griffin.
Yeah.
We ought to follow close behind, lest we get separated.
Buddy, I better get 20k out of this at the very least.
Positively splendid.
Well aimed strike, right where it hurts.
Extended
I
battle.
grant you Dire's blade.
Well, I think he paralyzes me now. That's exactly what I'll do. Seems a little cheesy. Why? It gives me training. Oops, I fucked up.
Focus. A moment of indecision will spell out doom. Ah, yes, now I see.
Yeah, I'm getting it.
Leave an opening. Focus your attacks.
Strike fast and true, and our quarry shall fall.
Don't want to kill it. Do enough damage. It keeps coming in. There's a lot of gold here.
Well, we may not die in battle, but far from being invincible.
Hush. Come on, buddy. Get your sketch done. Okay, I need to start practicing my teleport. It's the instant I hit the right bumper. Yeah, like that. Yeah. Seems a little broken. Is he doing better?
This foe is nigh unstoppable when we drop. We must do all we can to prevent it from taking its place.
How are we meant to attack it without hindering it?
That'll do it.
Okay.
Thinks I've got what I need.
Time to kill him. We could have killed him quicker. This bastard needed the sketch.
Fall back, and I will lead you to the magic. Wait a moment.
Come on. There we go.
My magic, need a weapon.
Set it on fire. Yeah.
You must not
face.
Let us finish this.
Give him an inch. Damn. That was bullying.
That was superb.
Oh, I'm satisfied.
It's done. But seeing the creature in the flesh is a wonder. This sketch shall serve me well. All
Alright. Oof. Well, that's what it gets for running away from me the first time. Yeah, there's a lot of money here that can be made.
I wonder how Sir Fulvio's sculpture is coming along. Mayhap 'twould behoove us to pay him a visit.
Oh, fine.
Methinks I know where to find the person you're looking
Come on.
for.
We're in your hands, sir.
Well,
Much obliged.
we're just gonna get out of here. And go to that merchant and buy the Stargazer armor for Serana? Calling it armor is funny. It's not at all. Is there a crystal here? Or rift stone?
Isn't much of an adventure if all we do is make camp.
Shut up!
Let us return once we've grown tired from our labors.
Zorro goes where he pleases. Yeah. How would have we gotten a Medusa head at this point? Would we have to go all the way to the excavation site, kill the Medusa, and then do that to the Griffin? That would have sucked. A lot.
You haven't forgotten it. Let's have you, Master.
No. Why would I? Oh yeah, bandits. They're probably gonna attack that caravan or something.
Have you a different destination in mind, Master?
Yes.
Very well. I shall follow your lead instead.
Good.
The Arisen decides our path. We have but to follow.
Thank you, Commissar Serana, for putting everybody down.
The power of such a torrent is not to be underestimated. Perhaps we could find a way to utilize it.
This could grant us an
Yes.
edge in battle, if
But
we
there's
use it well.
nobody to fight right now. Oh, now there is. Really?
I shan't allow any further harm to come to you. I grant you roaring flame.
Quenching syrup? I don't know how drinking syrup quenches fire. But, you do you, game. You do you. They were up there, right? Yeah. We're almost to the person. I think we'll have enough. We can sell those 2 Jaspers we picked up.
Hope you weren't expecting mercy. Most
Oh, that's
impressive,
cool.
Master. Keep on like that. We'll be done soon enough.
Now you're out of your misery. Really? I just got done fighting me. Alright, well that doesn't really matter.
Efficiency at
Spam
its
my
best.
redoubted
Once more.
bolt more so I can practice my timing on it. Because if I do the explosion,
be
then
aught
they're
over there?
paralyzed, and then I can teleport to them and get a free heavy attack.
Lay down your arms. Pull your head down.
Okay.
Let my magics grant you an elemental wound.
And I take the rest.
One of us has been drenched.
Really?
Rest, I need help.
Fucking archers, man. Fine.
Hold it.
I ain't holding shit. Bitch. There we go. I don't think it's dead. If it comes back here, well. Of course. Of course I miss. Of course I miss.
You are in need of healing. Allow me.
Ah! There. I did the teleport that far. Let's get Serana her armor.
Turn out your pockets. I'm taking the lot.
There we go.
Master, watch out!
What? Oh.
Was most effective.
How many griffins? Oh, no. Oof. Let's fight on more advantageous ground.
I ought to have braced for that.
Come down here, you fucker.
I grant you fire's blade.
All together now! We attack!
Yeah.
Strike fast and true, and our quarry shall fall.
We'll get to the city. And then we'll, up the recording there. Set on fire already, come on. Not causing the explosion. There we go.
Got hold of the enemy!
Good. Oh, that was sick! I teleported and then I grabbed onto him. Oh, that was so cool.
One technique
Okay.
that I can fight from the can't have our foes using it against us.
No escape. Oh, that was cool. That's why I gotta learn the timing. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Wait, I didn't even loot the thing, did I? I don't think I did. Yeah, no, I didn't.
It's not every day one happens upon a material so rare.
Buddy, we've
We
gotten
shall
like
have to think
6 of
long
them
and
already.
hard about what to do with it.
In a single day. I'm just gonna sell them at this point, because I've got a lot. You an enemy? Are you?
I'd sooner not battle
Yeah, you
those
are.
with whom we have no quarrel. Yet if they mean us harm, we can but defend ourselves. Fight
Get
you
out of
are.
here. Goodbye.
Let my magic imbue your weapon with the fury of the elements.
No! No, you can't die! Oh my god. Alright, well, I gotta get a fucking wake stone. Fuck,
Now
dude.
here's out of interest. A ballista.
It is not how we use this, but when that counts.
Oh,
I imagine it would be most beneficial in combat.
that's mighty upsetting. Oh, it's the NPC's fault for being where a bunch of fucking bandits spawn. Ugh. Okay.
This is most convenient. Another destination we were bound for is not far from here.
Yes.
Efficiency is not the only factor worthy of consideration.
Oops.
Really scary. I've never seen one.
Okay. Oh, that's
By and large,
upsetting.
the people of Bagbatal seem to adore their benevolent empress.
Hi.
Welcome. As a discerning customer like yourself will doubtless appreciate.
Withdraw. Where's my wake stones? Okay.
We offer excellence. Always a pleasure.
I need the armor, so I have to do it.
I don't know what to do.
Well, I killed the griffin. I can use the pulley system to get over there, but... Yeah. Had a griffin break it before. When the recording was broke, I fell on my fucking death on the way back home to turn the fucking quest in. So, I'm a little, averse to using those. Ah, you fucking idiot. Alright. I can't believe I'm doing this for an NPC. In the first game, wake stones were, very hard to come by until the very end of the game, right before you fight the Seneschal.
I believe this is intended
The
as a
game
means of
literally
transport.
tasks
Would be
you
interesting to see
with
where it
getting
might take
20
us.
of the fucking things.
I can foresee no reason not to make use
Okay.
of this.
Yes. Next time.
I think I've earned it.
Welcome, sir. Doubly.
I hate you, I hate you, I hate you. Alright. Yeah. Right,
So
we
if
have
you're
to
here-
sell the Jaspers. Boop, boop. Okay.
To buy.
Yep.
Hope to see you again.
Alright. There you go, Serana. Enjoy your armor.
Buy a little
quote
something.
unquote armor. Right, we can sell these then. We do not need them. And I don't need that either. Oh, you had 30 of those things this entire time. Yeah.
Don't you?
Yeah, you're fine. You don't need anything.
Hope to see you again.
Jesus Christ.
No purchases to be made today, I see. I just hope the shopkeep understands.
Stop
Gold
being
is a
stupid.
resource best spent judiciously.
Gonna have to go to Vermont to enhance our gear because we don't need strength and defense. Yeah. That's best suited to warriors. Now, if I had to hazard a guess, there'd probably be a third
Now then,
enchantment style
Which
related
way?
to magic and magic
What are we
defense.
tarrying for?
And
Onward,
I'm
I say!
going to say, on a limb, it's related to the elves. I don't know that, but my
I
gun
grant
is
you
telling me.
roaring flame.
Okay, am I going the correct way? No. You gotta go this way. Well, we can camp
The
out
day grows
here.
darker with our every step.
Where we do not fall prey to enemy ambush.
Yeah. We'll camp and then cut the recording. And then we'll go and see what else needs doing once we get back to the town.
Tis a hobgoblin.
Yeah. Alright.
I shan't
One more
let them
fight
harm
before we
you.
rest.
This seems a decent spot for a campsite.
Yes, I spot to rest. Yeah, me
Burn.
I knew you would prevail, Master.
I dare say, we have risen could have defeated this lot without us.
Outstanding.
Another enemy! Come to assist. We ought to have finished off the first one sooner.
You must cleanse yourself with that oil from taste.
There we go. Man, Mystic Knight is really fun. God damn it, I keep calling
We
it
could
that because that's
obtain
what it was in
some
the
rare
first game.
materials
Mystic
here, if it
Spearhand.
pleases you, Master.
Fucking hell.
Well spotted.
Sorry.
Shall we see what we can find?
I'm used to what I'm used to. Alright. Rest till morning. Let's hope we don't get ambushed again. Okay, we didn't. Alright. We'll see you guys in the next one.